One of my best memories of childhood is playing board games with friends and family. They are not just exciting, but they are also one of the best way to spend time with your loved ones and have some fun. Hello and welcome to Eat Travel Fun. This is Mansi Oza, and in today's video we are counting down 5 best board games you should have in your collection. At number 5, we have Pictionary. Pictionary is one game most of us would have played in our childhood. This board version makes it more exciting and challenging. It's fun to put your drawing and guessing skills to use and have some fun making funny creative pictures. This board game makes the whole experience more fun as you add a lot of variations like drawing blindfold to drawing without lifting your hand. Also, it allows you to keep the time and challenge the other team to gain a few extra points. I would say this is a must-have game for any fun evening with your friends and family. This can be played in teams of 2 to even teams of 4. At number 4, we have Codenames. Codename is really fun and creative board game. It is played in teams of 2 with one member of the team known as the Spy Master who gets a card which identifies the agents in the field which are marked by particular words on the board. You have to tell the other team member about the name of the field agent through one word clue. You have to be creative to able to connect multiple agents through one word clue so that your team is able to locate all the agents in minimum number of iteration. The team who locates their agent first wins, but there is also a sudden death which makes the whole game very exciting. If you are in for some intellectual challenge and willing to be creative while you play, this award-winning game is a must-have. At number 3, we have Sequence. Sequence is a fun game which can be played by people of all age group. It is very easy to learn and has amazing repeat play value. It is apt for a group of 2 to 12 people. The objective is that the team needs to accumulate a series of 5 consecutive cards on the board faster than the other team. It is based on the cards deck where one places a coin on the board in exchange for the card. Once you place 5 consecutive coins on the board before the other team, you win a point. So as a team, the objective is to create your lines and block other team from creating them. It requires minimum learning time and can be very engaging and exciting. At number 2, we have Settlers of Catan. This game needs no introduction. Probably one of the best-selling games for years with high repeat value and customization. The objective of the game is to create victory point and achieve target faster than your competitors. In order to do that, you build settlement and city which help you mine important resources which further fuel your growth. It is very high on strategy and bargain as well as picking up the right moves with a little luck factor to deciding the winner. It is a game which will keep you engaged for at least an hour and at the end of the day you will feel like playing more. The board game is amazing with really nice touch and feel of the game pieces. If you are looking for a competitive strategy game which allows you to build your empire and compete with others for resources, I would highly recommend this game. There is a reason why this game is the best seller since ages and you'll surely know it once you play it. At number 1, we have Pandemic. This game is very relevant in the current scenario of COVID. Pandemic is a unique game where all players work as a team and try to defeat the game. What happens in the game is that there is a disease outbreak at a few epic center and it expands across the world. The players together try to contain and eradicate the disease before it infects a huge size. Each player picks up a role from a doctor to quarantine specialist and works along with their role to contain the disease spread. If you are able to beat the game and curtail the spread in a stipulated time, then you win or else you lose. This is probably one of the rare games where all players unite together rather than compete against each other. The game is amazingly designed with high amount of repeat playing as every game and situation is unique. Your intention to defeat the game will surely make you play this game again and again. That's it for today guys. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you have played any of these games or any of these games which you think should be part of the list. And before you leave, subscribe for your weekly dose of Eat Travel Fun.